So, you're over 60 and thinking, is dating still for me? Or maybe you're already out there and wondering why things feel so different now. Well, you're not alone. Dating after 60 comes with its own set of challenges and exciting possibilities. But here's the good news: you can absolutely master the art of love at any age. In this video, we'll cover expert-backed dating tips that actually work for older adults, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and how to make real, lasting connections. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. The new rules of dating after 60. Dating in your 60s is not the same as it was in your 20s or 30s. The game has changed, and so should your approach. Here's what you need to know. Rule number 1. Confidence is key. Research from the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships shows that confidence is one of the most attractive traits at any age. Tip: don't let age define your desirability, own it. If you believe you're interesting and attractive, others will too. Rule 2. Let go of the past. Many seniors enter dating with emotional baggage: divorce, loss, past heartbreaks. Studies suggest that emotional availability significantly increases your chances of finding a meaningful connection. Tip: instead of focusing on what was, focus on what's next. Rule 3. Expand your horizons. Think dating apps are just for Gen Z? Think again. A 2023 survey by Pew Research found that online dating among seniors has doubled in the past decade. Apps like SilverSingles, OurTime, and eHarmony are designed for mature daters. Tip: experiment with both online and offline dating. Join clubs, attend social gatherings, or try speed dating events for seniors. 2. Common mistakes to avoid. Even the most experienced daters make mistakes. Here are the top ones to watch out for. Mistake 1. Expecting instant chemistry. Real love isn't a Hollywood movie moment. Studies show that deep connections take time to develop, especially in later years. Tip: focus on compatibility over instant attraction. Mistake 2. Ignoring red flags. Scammers and romance fraud are real concerns. According to the FTC, older adults lost over $139 million to online dating scams last year. Tip: never send money to someone you haven't met in person. Stay cautious but open-minded. Mistake 3. Playing games. Unlike younger dating scenes, mature dating is about authenticity. Tip: be upfront about what you want, whether it's companionship, a relationship, or just casual dating. 3. How to make a great first impression. A study from Psychology Today reveals that wearing something that makes you feel good boosts confidence. Tip: choose clothes that fit well and reflect your personality. Instead of just small talk, ask engaging questions like, what's something on your bucket list? What's a passion of yours that people might not know about? Studies suggest that deep conversations create stronger bonds than generic small talk. Smile and use positive body language. Research shows that a genuine smile makes you appear more attractive and approachable. Tip: maintain eye contact, lean in slightly, and show genuine interest in your date. So, whether you're looking for love, companionship, or just dipping your toes back into the dating pool, remember, it's never too late. Love has no expiration date. What's your biggest dating challenge after 60? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe for more tips on love, relationships, and living your best life at any age.